It's a fact to produce some micro parts, but we have to control them, and most of the time in the industry of our partners, they are very good to produce the parts, but there are more difficulties to control them. Then we try to propose solutions to do this. For example, in micro turning, yes, we have a very small part, and there are parts about several millimeters length and hundreds of microns diameter and microns of tolerance in precision. We need here a device we can put in one time the workpiece and analyze all the geometry in one time.
So let's move on to micro EDM application.
Yeah, we have some colleagues, we work a lot in this field. For example, aircraft motor blades. Then we have to measure all the geometry of the blade, for example, but also the position of all the holes and the quality of the entrance surface, ideally the quality of the hole itself.
So I understand better now why you dream of a micro CMM.